So sweetie, this is a one, and can you see it's properly cooked? Can you see? The next one is this. So this time around we are using grater, and we're not going to use this tiny side. We're not going to use this one. We're not going to use this one. We are using the most tiniest. That is what we are using. Why I'm using this, I grew up, my mom normally do this, so I know about this particular meal a lot. So all you need to do now is to grate. So sweetie, after grating it, this is what we got. So the next thing you do is to get a shin cloth like this. Mine is clean. So you make use of the shin cloth. You get a plate this way. You scoop all the.
So sweetie, if this reminds you of your childhood while growing up, what your mother normally do for you each time she goes to market, that snack she normally gets for you in the market when you are childhood, please don't hesitate to give us a like, subscribe, click on the notify button and get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, so let's continue.
Try and squeeze out the water, but we did not squeeze out everything. Okay, there's still little water from it, as you can see. If you squeeze, you still see water, so we're not taking all the whole water out, okay, because they are important. Okay, so it's okay. Type that don't like to see onions in your food, you can grate, okay, but if you like to see onions in your food, you can just chop the onions into smaller pieces, okay. So cut the onions very little. Okay, first we to pour this out. Okay, you see the way it looks like? That's why I say we don't need to waste all the water. Okay, so the next thing you do is to add your onion. The onion is much. So feel free, if you are the lover of onions, add as much as you can. Then we'll add little salt. Then we'll add pepper. So we mix all together. Mix them together. After mixing properly, you see it's not hard. You see it's a bit there is water. If you press it, you see water coming, so make sure you don't dry up all the water. So it's not for us to mold. We can mold to this way, then you press it. So sweetie, we are done. It's time for us to fry, okay? So sweetie, you can put your stuff now. Sweetie is ready. So sweetie does it. The face alone looks so nice and very interesting and yummy-cious. So sweetie, this is our kose rogo. So nice, so healthy, and so yummy. You can see the way it looks like. You can pair it with yaji. Simple, anything you want to pair it with, okay? So I hope you find this healthy and nice, and I hope you'll be trying this. So let me know which of this reminds you of your childhood very well.